So I have another crazy complicated idea today. That is kind of my MO. Crazy things. So I kind of wanted to create what looked like a crate or like a wood crate basically, with a rabbit climbing into it or leaning into it. So I created this scraper to create the first crate, then the second line, and then the bunny will sit in there. And then I have carrots that are supposed to be popping up on either side of him. Complicated. And then I also decided to make little nails to try and put into the crate. Again, complicated. We'll see how well it goes. I really hope it goes well. What I'm doing now is I want to give the crate kind of some texture. So I have a brown, a really dark brown, and a gold, and I'm going to kind of mix them in and then just pour this in. Then I'll scrape it, then do the same thing for the next layer. I'm actually probably going to do a mica line in between, so hopefully there's some definition. And then yeah, the sky. So wish me luck. I really hope this works because it's going to be a lot of work. So yeah, here we go. Okay, so I don't know what to expect. The fragrance that I used, which was supposed to accelerate a little bit, did not accelerate. Holy cow. I finally just had to pour because I had to get this made. So let's see what the layers are like. I tried to do a mica line in between to hopefully help it not break through. And then when I was trying to scrape out the space for the feet, that was, just kept kind of filling in back on itself. It was just all sorts of frustrating. When I put the rabbit and the carrots in, of course that sunk in because they were so heavy in embed, and I could see it displacing stuff. So I am curious to see what we had. Okay, so this was the end piece. And these are middle. A lot of times the middle's a little bit better, so. Is that not frustrating? Not straight at all. The nails are cute. You can see the bunny sunk in, the carrots sunk in. The carrots are supposed to be right up against the bunny. But I could not get them, and I wasn't even going to bother trying to push. Like, I would do more damage. Ugh, look at that. Whew, that's a funky board. I really like the nails. That air gap was because the embed pieces were together. Oh my gosh. Whew, whew, whew. Look at that. Yeah. I actually think this could have been actually worked really well and been really cute if the soap had set up. I have a stamp, so I'm gonna stamp the feet on, the pads I should say on the feet. I mean, we could look at this as just one big crate instead of having two slats to the crate. So it's not bad, don't get me wrong. It's still cute. Once I stamp it, I think the bunny will be even cuter. But I'm just annoyed. The carrots, the not straight, the not setting, like it's just, you put all that work into something and you want it to turn out how you see it in your head. And when it doesn't, it's a little disappointing. So, yeah. Oh well, I'll get the rest of these bars off and then I'll come back and stamp it. Okay, so holding on to this and getting it on the foot was a bit challenging. So what I ended up doing is putting some double-sided tape on it so I could stick it to my finger, dip it in the mica, push it on. And it was easier with my left hand to do the left foot and then putting on my right hand to the right foot, just turning wise, like, right? Because the hand turns out and the hand turns out. So it worked. Because yeah, it was hard to hold this and get it on there. So that little bit of double-sided tape helped. So the stamp is cute. It's cute as a soap. It's just not perfect. And that bugs me. Let me know what you think.